Hey everyone! So as you may know, my heart beats for scented candles. I know it's not the healthiest thing, but I am obsessed, to be honest. So I thought today I will share with you my newest summer candles that I got. And the reason for this purchase is that I used up one of my favorite summer candles and I found out that it's still available. So yeah, I went a little bit crazy, as I usually do. Okay, first of all, I think this is the one that I repurchased, and it's wrapped up quite nicely, so the glass doesn't break. Okay, the amount of packaging that is a bit ridiculous, but here we have the Woodwick Trilogy Island Getaway, and does it say the notes? Probably not. But this is a trilogy candle, so it has 3 layers that all smell a little bit different. But overall, I would describe this as a summer cocktail in a jar. It is very reminiscent of like pina colada scents and stuff like that. So you have a little bit of coconut, a little bit of fruitiness, but like, you know, the fruitiness and the creaminess that you get with such a cocktail. So yeah, I absolutely love this. And the Woodwicks also crackle. So the wick, obviously it's called Woodwick. Oh, duh. The wick is made out of wood, but it is some kind of special wood, so it really crackles quite loudly, which can be quite relaxing, but also annoying depending on where you land with that. But yeah, I really, really love this candle, and I'm so glad I got another one. And then I just got some smaller sizes to try out. So I think, let me just see. Yeah, I have a good mixture. I have 3 Goose Creek candles. The first one I have here is a beach party. Ooh, I like this. This is a lemony scent. It smells very, very clean and fresh. Oh, I like this a lot. Like, yeah, like a citrus, a fresh scent. And it also has these cocktails on the front, which I think resembles that quite nicely. Then we have Sunset Sparkle, also by Goose Creek. This one's interesting. This is also a very clean scent. It's more like a laundry scent, I would say. But it's very, very nice. I really like that. This is more like a, yeah, laundry clean smell. And the last Goose Creek one is Georgia Peach. Yeah, this is straight up peach. Oh, I love this. Oh, this is so good. It definitely smells like peaches, like 100%. So cool. Then I have 2 Village Candle small sizes. The first one is Mountain Retreat, and I think these are more like fall scents. No, no, but this one is, I think. Can I get this out of here? Yeah. Okay. Okay, very interesting scent. It definitely smells like the color it's in, if that makes any sense to you. It has a very rich kind of berry scent, but not a sweet berry, but more like a heavy kind of berry scent. I think I will really like this, but this is definitely more of a fall candle, so keep that in mind. And then I got Lemon Pistachio, which sounds amazing. Okay, can we get this one out? Okay. Okay. This is definitely pistachio. I don't smell the lemon just yet, but this smells like pistachio ice cream. So yeah, that's also a good one, I think. Yeah. This is a good one. I'm really excited to burn this. And then lastly, I have 2 Yankee Candle samplers, and I got Tropical Starfruit. Yeah, definitely fruity. These always don't smell so much, and I don't want to unwrap it because, you know, then it loses the scent quicker. But yeah, definitely like a fruity scent. I'm intrigued to see whether I can see any kind of star fruit in it. But yeah, I just thought I'd try it. It sounded fun. And then we have Moonlit Cove. And I think these are both like their summer special editions. Yeah, and again, a very, very different scent. This definitely also smells like the colors, and it has this kind of like ocean scent that a lot of these candle companies do. It's very, very subtle and fresh and has just the tiniest hint of a man's perfume, but you know, not too much, just very subtle. Yeah, I'm very excited to burn that one as well. I think this will be very nice. And so these are the candles that I decided to try out this summer. I wanted to get a good mixture, and so I decided to go for these kind of like sampler sizes, because then, you know, you can mix them up a little bit more, especially since I don't have a candle store nearby where I can go and smell the candles. I think these samplers are just a good way to figure out which kind of scents you like. I'm pretty surprised that none of these are a miss for me so far. We'll see how they burn, because sometimes, you know, sometimes you just don't like candles. Like, for example, one for me that I just don't really love is the Bath & Body Works watermelon lemonade. For some reason the combination of scents just does not work for me, but I think all of these are gonna be great, so I will hopefully talk more about them when I've used them up on my channel. So if you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, leave a nice comment if you want to. Let me know what your favorite summer candle is, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!